Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I am in a different setup. This is actually the first sit down video that I'm filming in my new house. So excited. This is actually my bedroom, like my master bedroom. I feel like you can get a bit of a sneak peek as to what is going on in here. I am vlogging this week as well, so you'll see a little bit more this Sunday. Currently in the process of moving everything into my house, which I have to say is taking some time. There's been a lot going on, a lot of updates to share with you, but this room is pretty much done now, so I thought I would film today's video in here. I'm literally obsessed with this room. Like, it's such cozy, like peaceful vibes. So yeah, I hope you like the look of everything that you see so far, but as I said, you'll see more on Sunday. So today we're going to be doing my first clothing haul of the year. So excited. This is basically new pieces that I'm introducing into my wardrobe this month for January. Again, wardrobe tour is coming soon. I'm still working on that at the minute, but I wanted to show you some of the pieces that I've picked up recently that I'm going to be adding into my wardrobe, that I've been wearing, that I've been really enjoying. Everything is from POLLY. All of the pieces are part of their Studio Essentials range, which is a new range that they're bringing out. I'm going to leave some information and some links down below if you want to have a look for yourself. This top is actually one of the pieces, I have to say, probably one of my favorite pieces as well, hence why I've got it on currently. Everything is like so cozy, really cute basics, really neutral colors, which is definitely very me. Yeah, the quality of everything is so beautiful as well. I feel like I say that every single time I talk about POLLY, but especially with their like loungewear and basics, everything is like thick, double layer, so comfortable on, really great quality. They've got a few different colorways for all of the pieces in this collection. This is kind of more of like the grayish, like the light bluish gray color that they do. So this is just like a little crop top. It's got thumb holes, what do you call them? I really love when long sleeve tops have this detail. I feel like it makes the top just extra cozy, and it just looks really cute on as well. And then it's got these little cutouts here, so this is basically like attached at the back, and then it's got this little strap going across the front. So I really love like all of the little details on this. Obviously it's just like a really simple, easy to wear basic top, but then it's got little cutouts and like little extra added details. I actually got a few more pieces in this colorway, so I think I'm going to do things in terms of like the colors that I got everything in, if you know what I'm saying. So I picked up these matching joggers, which I really loved the look of. I don't have any joggers in this style. They're basically elasticated at the waistband, and then they have a cutout each side here. Have to say, so I got these. Right, so I actually got these in a medium, and the one thing I will say is these are definitely too big for me. Usually I do size up in POLLY because I feel like a lot of the stuff they do is very fitted. These, however, because they're elasticated and they're joggers, I feel like you could definitely get like what your normal size is. So I got a medium. I do wish I got a small because they are a little bit big. But yeah, I really love the cutout detail. I feel like it just makes the joggers a little bit more, just something like a little bit different. I feel like I have so many pairs of joggers and I have none that are like this style. And then they just go down into cuffed like ankles at the bottom. They match this color of grey like really beautifully as well. And then next up we have this little top here, which is actually very similar to the top that I've currently got on. I'd say it's just a little bit more strappy in terms of like the straps here, if you can see for comparison. Also got a slightly like lower neckline, I would say, and I also feel like this one's a little bit more cropped. So overall this has a little bit less going on. This has a bit more like fabric on the go. Love again the quality and the fabric of this one. It feels really supportive, considering it's more of like a smaller top at the front, more of like a strappy bralette situation. It's still really supportive, feels beautiful on. Yeah, really comfortable. I love that. And then I also wanted to get a dress in this color as well. As I said, I feel like grey is just one of my favorite colors to wear, so I picked up the most things in the grey color. Got this dress. This was actually the first thing that I tried on, and I think this might actually be my favorite thing in this video. So it's kind of hard to show just because it does have a halter neck here. You can see it better in the try on clip, but yeah, it's basically a mini dress. Again, it's got like the little thumb holes on the sleeves, and then yeah, it has a halter neck in terms of the neckline, and then again it's got this same like strand going across the front, like as to what is on the top that I'm wearing. Really beautiful and flattering on. I feel like you could easily dress this up or dress it down, which is kind of what I like about a lot of the things in this. Like this top, for example, I feel like I could put this on with a pair of like leather pants and some heels and it dresses it up like in 2 seconds. Same with this dress. I feel like you could wear it with heels, you could wear it with trainers, like flat boots, like whatever you wanted to wear it with. So yeah, really gorgeous, really comfortable on. Next up we have this more like sandy colour. So again, it's still like a light neutral colour, which I really like. It's a little bit obviously more warm than the grey. So I got this dress firstly. I love all of the mini dresses that they brought out with this range. This is more of like a wide, like you can either wear it off the shoulder or you can wear it on the shoulder, but it's a lot more of like a wide neckline, and it also drops down a little bit at the back. This one is very ruched as well, which I really like. You guys know I love a ruched dress. I feel like they're so flattering on, they're so easy to wear. Ruched both sides of the dresses too, and then it is also ruched on the sleeves, so really pretty. I think because it's more of like a soft like jersey material as well, like I don't know, it just looks really gorgeous and flattering on with the ruche like going on. Also got some bodysuits in this collection as well, so I picked this one up here, which is again in this like sandy color. It's kind of similar to the top that I just showed in the sense of like it's like a bralette style at the front and it has these cutouts here, and the only difference is it goes down into a bodysuit, and I have to say for a bodysuit this is so comfortable. Again, goes down into long sleeves. I feel like with a pair of joggers this would look really cute, with a pair of jeans this would look really nice. Again, you could dress it up and put heels on if you wanted to. I actually picked up these to match with the bodysuit. So these are like long line flared trousers. I love having stuff like this in my wardrobe because it's pretty much what I wear on like a day-to-day basis. Like these kind of like jersey flared pants and joggers are basically like my go-to. Like they're just so easy to wear, so comfortable for around the house as well. So love the detail of like the lining on these. Kind of adds like a really nice amount of shape, and then the flared bottom is like split as well, which is a really nice detail. They are high-waisted as well, which is really nice. I got these in a 10. Again, I kind of wish I'd sized down and got an 8, so just word of warning for everything in this range. Like I would get you a normal size or size down if you want to. Really, really love these. Obviously you can like mix and match everything in this collection as well. Like you don't have to do everything as matching colors, but it kind of almost looked like a jumpsuit when it was on with the bodysuit, which is something that I really like. And then last but not least, we have like the creamy color, which I think this is like my second favorite color. I love cream so much, don't get me wrong, I can ruin it in like 2 seconds, but it's so pretty on. Like I feel like it's just such a cute color, especially for springtime. So the first thing that I got in this like creamy color is another dress. As I said, I really love the dresses in this collection. This one's kind of like a similar style in the sense of like it's a halter neck, but it's more of like a strappy halter neck, and it also has like more of a tighter neckline up here. It's got this little ring detail that kind of joins it at the top, and then it's got this like open cutout on the chest, which is really, really nice. It also has a little slit on the side, which is something that I really liked about this one because they're all a nice length, like none of them are too short. Again, it's long sleeved. I just love the long sleeves at the minute. It's still very cold at the minute. Really nice for layering. So yeah, that is the dress that I picked up in the cream. And then I also got the same joggers that are like the cutout joggers, which I showed in the grey. I just like love cream joggers. I just think they're so pretty, like so, they just look so good on. Very easy for me to ruin them. Like I feel like I have to be careful when I wear anything in this colour, but I just think they're so nice with like a pair of like fresh white trainers. So yeah, I picked up those. And then last but not least, we have this top here, which I have to say, when I first tried this on, I was like unsure how to wear and style this. It's basically, it's like a little zip up jacket, I would say. It's got a zip at the top and at the bottom, which is a nice detail because you can kind of like zip this bit up so it's like a little bit open at the bottom if you want that. So many different ways to like wear and style this, which is what I really like. It's got very long sleeves that are like split and flare out, which is really nice, and the lining in this is so soft and fleecy. Like I don't know, you're probably not going to be able to tell, but it's just like really, really like nice soft fleece. So I put this on as a jacket. I was like, okay, it's cute. And then I basically zipped it down enough for it to be an off the shoulder kind of situation, and then that I was like, okay, I really like this. It does dip down a bit at the front compared to the back, which is a nice detail. It's kind of got like a V shape going towards the bottom. But yeah, I really like this off the shoulder. Again, with the joggers, I thought it was super cute, so cozy, so warm on. Yeah, actually probably one of my favorite things as well, just because there's so many different ways that you can wear it and style it. That is everything that I picked up for this video. As I said, all new items that I'm going to be putting into my wardrobe for this month that I'll obviously wear for the rest of the year too. Yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It feels so nice filming in here. Like, it's so quiet where I live as well. Like, I don't know, I'm really enjoying like settling in and stuff. So as I said, Sunday's video will be another move-in house video, so hopefully you're all looking forward to that. All of the pieces that I picked up from POLLY will be linked down below, so definitely check them out if you're interested. As I said, let me know what your favorite piece is too. But yeah, I'm gonna get going. Thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a lovely week so far, and I will see you on Sunday.